power of the body. And of course, on a surfing board in round one. Using the structure of the body, they can resist water and they are the fastest steel ship that can swim up to 40 kilometers an hour, which is 5 times faster than a human being. Preparing for round two. And yalla! يستخدمون الأجساد الكومنتية ولذلك هم الأسرع يمكنهم السباحة نحو 40 كيلومتر في الساعة وهي 5 مرات أسرع من الإنسان. Wait a minute, what is happening? Of course, it is big time. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause to the family boss! Marvelous! And don't forget to go to YouTube channel to buy Dolphin subscribe and watch the latest episode. Now, keep that cameras rolling. We're gonna show you some basic skills using a smaller beach ball. And trust me, not easy as it looks. Everyone, eyes on the ball! Marvelous! Now, good boy Carly gonna show you something incredible, something you've never seen before. Make sure you have space and batteries. It is time to show you the real power of the tape and what the tape can do. Look at them all. Big boy, go! That's what I'm talking about. The real gamer is Big Boy Carly. Now everyone, prepare your hands. It's time to play all together! Watch out for the minutes.
Dito agora, né? Boa!
That's it, that's it. Thank you everyone for participating with us. Please don't throw the football back in the water. We still have some more action to show you. Thank you everyone for participating with us. Please don't throw the football back in the water. We still have some more action to show you. One more football remaining in the pool. Marvelous. Let's give them a big round of applause. That's a smart move. Now, Dolphins will say thank you to all of you for playing with them. 3 steps. Step number 1, hands in the air. Step number 2, let's make a big wave. Step 3,